Can we schedule a meeting to discuss this further? Can we schedule a meeting to discuss this further?
Pouvons-nous planifier une réunion pour discuter de cela plus en détail?
I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Je reviendrai vers vous dès que possible.
We need to focus on meeting the deadline. We need to focus on meeting the deadline.
Nous devons nous concentrer sur le respect de la date limite.
Could you please clarify your point? Could you please clarify your point?
Pourriez-vous clarifier votre point de vue, s'il vous plaît?
Let's keep this conversation confidential. Let's keep this conversation confidential.
Gardons cette conversation confidentielle.
I'll send you the updated report by the end of the day. I'll send you the updated report by the end of the day.
Je vous enverrai le rapport mis à jour d'ici la fin de la journée.
How would you like to proceed with this project? How would you like to proceed with this project?
Comment souhaitez-vous procéder avec ce projet?
Thank you for your prompt response. Thank you for your prompt response.
Merci pour votre réponse rapide.
Could we revisit this issue during our next meeting? Could we revisit this issue during our next meeting?
Pourrions-nous revenir sur cette question lors de notre prochaine réunion?
Let's touch base on this next week. Let's touch base on this next week.
Faisons le point là-dessus la semaine prochaine.
We need to align on the project goals. We need to align on the project goals.
Nous devons nous aligner sur les objectifs du projet.
What's the estimated time of completion? What's the estimated time of completion?
Quel est le délai estimé pour la réalisation?
Please keep me in the loop. Please keep me in the loop.
Merci de me tenir informé.
This approach might not be cost-effective. This approach might not be cost-effective.
Cette approche pourrait ne pas être rentable.
Can you provide a status update? Can you provide a status update?
Pouvez-vous fournir une mise à jour sur l'état d'avancement?
We need to optimize our workflow to increase efficiency. We need to optimize our workflow to increase efficiency.
Nous devons optimiser notre flux de travail pour accroître l'efficacité.
I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your feedback.
J'apprécie vos retours.
The proposal has been approved by management. The proposal has been approved by management.
La proposition a été approuvée par la direction.
Let's explore different strategies for improving performance. Let's explore different strategies for improving performance.
Explorons différentes stratégies pour améliorer la performance.
I'll make sure to follow up on that. I'll make sure to follow up on that.
Je m'assurerai de faire un suivi à ce sujet.
Can you please prioritize this task? Can you please prioritize this task?
Pouvez-vous donner la priorité à cette tâche, s'il vous plaît?
We need to finalize the budget by Friday. We need to finalize the budget by Friday.
Nous devons finaliser le budget d'ici vendredi.
Is there anything I can assist you with? Is there anything I can assist you with?
Y a-t-il quelque chose avec lequel je peux vous aider?
We need to review the contract before signing. We need to review the contract before signing.
Nous devons examiner le contrat avant de signer.
Let's brainstorm ideas to solve this problem. Let's brainstorm ideas to solve this problem.
Réfléchissons ensemble pour trouver des idées afin de résoudre ce problème.
We should prioritize our key tasks for this week. We should prioritize our key tasks for this week.
Nous devrions prioriser nos tâches clés pour cette semaine.
Can you share the meeting agenda in advance? Can you share the meeting agenda in advance?
Pouvez-vous partager l'ordre du jour de la réunion à l'avance?
Let's gather some insights from the team. Let's gather some insights from the team.
Rassemblons quelques idées de l'équipe.
I need to discuss this matter with my supervisor. I need to discuss this matter with my supervisor.
Je dois discuter de cette question avec mon superviseur.
We must stay on track to meet our objectives. We must stay on track to meet our objectives.
Nous devons rester sur la bonne voie pour atteindre nos objectifs.
Can you provide an overview of the project timeline? Can you provide an overview of the project timeline?
Pouvez-vous fournir un aperçu du calendrier du projet?
It's important to address any concerns promptly. It's important to address any concerns promptly.
Il est important de traiter toute préoccupation rapidement.
Let's schedule a follow-up meeting to review progress. Let's schedule a follow-up meeting to review progress.
Planifions une réunion de suivi pour examiner les progrès.
How can we improve our customer service? How can we improve our customer service?
Comment pouvons-nous améliorer notre service client?
We should analyze the feedback from our clients. We should analyze the feedback from our clients.
Nous devrions analyser les retours de nos clients.
Could you summarize the main points from the last meeting? Could you summarize the main points from the last meeting?
Pourriez-vous résumer les points principaux de la dernière réunion?
It's crucial to maintain transparency in our communication. It's crucial to maintain transparency in our communication.
Il est essentiel de maintenir la transparence dans notre communication.
We need to align our resources effectively. We need to align our resources effectively.
Nous devons aligner nos ressources de manière efficace.
What are the next steps in this process? What are the next steps in this process?
Quelles sont les prochaines étapes de ce processus?
Can you confirm your availability for the meeting? Can you confirm your availability for the meeting?
Pouvez-vous confirmer votre disponibilité pour la réunion?
I appreciate your input on this topic. I appreciate your input on this topic.
J'apprécie votre contribution à ce sujet.
We must evaluate the performance of our team regularly. We must evaluate the performance of our team regularly.
Nous devons évaluer régulièrement la performance de notre équipe.
Let's consider alternative solutions to this challenge. Let's consider alternative solutions to this challenge.
Envisageons des solutions alternatives à ce défi.
Please send me the finalized document when it's ready. Please send me the finalized document when it's ready.
Merci de m'envoyer le document finalisé quand il sera prêt.
We need to ensure compliance with industry regulations. We need to ensure compliance with industry regulations.
Nous devons garantir le respect des réglementations de l'industrie.
Let's leverage our strengths to gain a competitive advantage. Let's leverage our strengths to gain a competitive advantage.
Tirons parti de nos forces pour obtenir un avantage concurrentiel.
I'll need your assistance on this project. I'll need your assistance on this project.
J'aurai besoin de votre aide sur ce projet.
How do you envision the project outcome? How do you envision the project outcome?
Comment envisagez-vous le résultat du projet?
We should be proactive in identifying potential risks. We should be proactive in identifying potential risks.
Nous devrions être proactifs dans l'identification des risques potentiels.
Can you provide a detailed report on your findings? Can you provide a detailed report on your findings?
Pouvez-vous fournir un rapport détaillé sur vos conclusions?